Hello students, welcome back. Today we shall start question number 19. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the row next to it, and so on. In how many rows are there 200 logs placed and how many logs are there in top row? logs लकड़ी के बड़े बड़े जो हम लोग जिसको लट्ठे बोलते हैं, फर्स्ट रो में दे आर 20, नेक्स्ट रो 1 less 19, next row it is 18, next 17, then next 16, 15, 14 and so on. How many logs do you have? 200. You have to place in such a manner that in the bottom that is 20 and next to it 1 less 19, next to it 1 less 18, मतलब हर बार एक कम होते जा रहा है. How many rows will be like this? इस तरह कितनी rows होंगे? And how many logs are in the top row? जो सबसे टॉप में रहेगी उसमें कितने logs रहेंगे? For that we are solving this in this way. Sn means sum of all the logs. Sum of all the logs is 200. Logs from bottom row are, in the bottom there was 20, next 1 less 19, next 1 less 18, 17, 16 and so on. How many rows are there? We don't know. But we know bottom 20, then 19, then 18, then 17, 16 and so on. The above sequence forms an AP. How do you know that it forms an AP? Since each time there is one less, a number one less. That's why it is an AP. Since the common difference between them is same. First term A 20, common difference D, second minus first, 19 minus 20, it is minus 1. We know Sn is equal to n by 2. Sn is equal to 200. Sn 200 है आपका, तो फॉर्मूला फॉर Sn n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 200. n by 2 2a, a is 20 plus n minus 1 d is minus 1 is equal to 200. n by 2, solve it, 22s are 40. It is outside the bracket. Minus into plus, minus n, minus into minus plus, 1 ones are 1. Plus 1 is equal to 200. n by 2, 40 plus 1, 41 minus n is equal to 200. So n bracket 41 minus n, this 2 will multiply here. 2 into 200. Multiply 41 into n, 41n minus n into n, n square is equal to 400. Since it is negative, so change its side. Take both of them to right hand side. If you take this to the right hand side, the sign will change. It is plus n square minus 41n. It is already in the right hand side, plus 400. Here you have 0. Since we have taken this to the right hand side, अगर आपका यहाँ 0 है, we take the 0 to the right hand side. Now factorize it. You can use the quadratic formula or you can use splitting the middle term. I am using the splitting the middle term here. P and S, you know P and S. In product P, you will have to write 1 into 400 is equal to 400. In the S, you write a middle term. Middle term is your minus 41. Okay, so the table is 25 into 16. It is 400. Since it is negative, so both of them will be negative. Minus 25 minus 16 is equal to minus 41. So two of the numbers are minus 25 and minus 16. N square minus 25n minus 16n plus 400 is equal to 0. N is common here. You have n minus 25 minus 16 common. N, since it is minus, so sign will change. 25 is equal to 0. You know this, how to pair. Next, either this part is equal to 0 or this part is equal to 0. Means either n minus 16 is equal to 0 or n minus 25 is equal to 0. It means here n is equal to 16, n is equal to 25. Since both are positive, so it means both can be the answer of this question. But we have to choose only one. Which is the suitable here? Which is suitable here? N16 or N25? If n is equal to 25, we are finding the nth term. We have been asked how many terms are there or how many rows are there. If n is equal to 25, then nth term is your a plus n minus 1 into d. A was your 20 plus n is 25 minus 1, d was minus 1. Solve it. 20 plus 25 minus 1, 24 into minus 1. 20 plus minus 24 1 is 24. It is minus 4. So here an is a minus 4, which is not possible. And last term cannot be minus. Last row cannot be in negative. So which is not possible here. Now let us start for 16. We have, first of all, we have taken n is equal to 25. Now take n is equal to 16. An is equal to, this is the formula. Substitute the value. Last 5. An is 5, which is possible since it is positive. So hence number of rows n, it is possible है, it is possible. n is 16 and top में कितनी आपके 5. Hence number of rows is equal to 16 and number of logs in the top row 5. इस तरह की कितनी रोज है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 16. There are 16 rows. In the bottom row there were 20 logs and in the top row there are 5 logs. ये आपका आंसर आ गया. Similarly, question number 20. You can see a girl here who is picking the potato. In a potato की रेस लगी है. A bucket is placed at the starting point. यहाँ पे starting point पे bucket रखी है, which is 5 meter from the first potato. ये potato first है, second है, third potato, fourth potato, fifth, right? And the other potatoes are placed 3 meter apart from in a straight line. हर एक में देखो यहाँ कितने कितने का डिफरेंस है 3 का. सिर्फ फर्स्ट में कितना है, फर्स्ट पोटैटो का यहाँ से 5 मीटर. How many potatoes are there? 10 potatoes. A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it, drops it in the bucket, runs back to pick up the next potato, runs to the bucket to drop it in, and she continues in the same way until all the potatoes are in the bucket. What are the total distance the competitor has to run? Means from here to here. She is picking first potato from here, then goes back. Means it is starting point. लड़की यहाँ से यहाँ तक जा रही है, पोटैटो उठा रही है, फिर वापस आ रही है. तो कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया? यहाँ से पहले इधर को 5 चले गया, देन बैक 5, 2 टाइम्स किया ना 5, मीन्स 10. फर्स्ट डिस्टेंस कवर इज 10 मीटर. फिर यहाँ से फिर वापस इसको उठाने के लिए सेकंड पोटैटो 5, देन प्लस 3, 8 चले गए. फिर वापस यहाँ से 16, राइट. यहाँ से सेकंड पोटैटो के लिए 5 + 3, 8, यहाँ पहुंच गए ना 8 मीटर कवर किया और वापस यहाँ से पोटैटो उठा के वापस कर दिया वहां चले गए, 8 is 16। सिमिलरली थर्ड के लिए 5 + 3 8 + 3 11 इधर को चले गए, 11 वापस फिर चले गए पोटैटो उठा के इधर। नेक्स्ट के लिए भी क्या होगा, 5 यहां तक + 3 8 + 3 11 + 3 14 इधर को आ गई और वापस 14 चले गए 28। मीन्स क्या बनेगा आपका सीक्वेंस, डिस्टेंस कवर्ड टू पिक अप फर्स्ट पोटैटो 2 5 10 हो रहा है ना, 5 इधर को 5 वापस 2 5 10 मीटर। डिस्टेंस कवर्ड टू पिक सेकंड पोटैटो 2 × 5 + 3। फर्स्ट में कितना था 5 है ना, सेकंड में कितना डिस्टेंस था 3। 5 + 3 8 2 मीन्स 2 टाइम इधर को भी गया वापस भी आ गई 2 8 था 5 + 3 8 16 मीटर। डिस्टेंस कवर्ड टू पिक थर्ड पोटैटो, फर्स्ट में 5 था डिस्टेंस, सेकंड में 3 था, थर्ड में 3 था। 2 × मीन्स 2 टाइम, एक बार इधर को गए फिर वापस यहाँ आ गए, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज 2। 5 + 3 8 + 3 11 2 × 11 22 मीटर and so on. How many potatoes were there? 10. Thus our sequence forms an AP. You can see here. It seems to be an AP. It is AP since the common difference is same. Common difference क्या 3 3 का था ना उसमें, 3 3 always there were 3 3। यहां से कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या था हमारे पास, सब में 3 3 था, आने में जाने में 6 हो गया, कॉमन डिफरेंस 6 बन गया दोनों साइड को। हियर a = 10, d = second minus first, 16 - 10 = 6, and n, how many potatoes were there? How many potatoes were there? 10. Sn = n/2 2a + n - 1 × d. Sn is 10 = 10/2 2a is 10 plus n is 10 minus 1 d is 6. Solve it. You know how to solve it. Your answer is 370. Hence total distance run by a competitor is equal to 370 मीटर। मतलब पूरे इसने 10 पोटैटोज उठाने के लिए यहां से स्टार्ट किया इसने, फ्रॉम हेयर शी स्टार्टेड, फर्स्ट पिक किया, देन ड्रॉप किया इसको, सेकंड पिक किया बकेट में ड्रॉप किया, थर्ड फिर ड्रॉप किया, फोर्थ लाया। हाउ मेनी पोटैटोज वर देयर? 10। तो टोटल कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया इसने 10 पोटैटोज को पिकअप करने के लिए? 370 मीटर। सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट द अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन, AP सीरीज के बारे में ये सब कुछ था हमारा। सो आई डू होप दैट यू माइट हैव अंडरस्टूड। पूरी कोशिश की होगी आपने भी समझने की, और जिसको अगर समझ नहीं आए तो रोज का वीडियो देखते रहिए, समझने की कोशिश कीजिए। सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर द डे। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो।